Wychli allan yn sydyn, tar y bel yn hir. Williams ar ochr y cwrs Cosby, Aaron Williams! Ac ar ôl 38 eiliad yn unig, mae'r Drenewydd wedi mynd ar y blaen. Aaron Williams efo'i bedwerydd gôl mewn 2 gêm. Ni wedi chwarae y 2 funud sy'n ei ychwanegu ar ddiwedd y hanner cynta. Jamie Veal yn codi'r bel dros yr amddiffyn a Tolly Hulbert. Hulbert! Ar draws wyneb y gôl efo cic ola yr hanner cynta. Dyna'r agosa o bell ffordd mae'r ymwelwyr wedi dod. Di cur lawr y cae i lwybr McLagan. McLagan i mewn i cwrt Cosby. Kay McLagan! Yn gorfodi Andy Wychli i wneud arbediad. Mae tro cyntaf pnawn yma. Cowens, tynnu'r bel i lawr, canfod Rob Evans, bel allan at Matty Jones. Jones efo'r croesiad teg at Sears. Sears yn pennu'r bel yn ôl a draws gôl. A Aaron Williams sydd yna eto i ddwblu mantais y tîm cartra. A fe nath Louis Robles yn dda i gadw'r bel ar dir y byw. Ac o ryw 10 llath, Aaron Williams yn tarannu'r bel heibio i Mike Lewis.
5 goals in 3 games now for Aaron Williams. You've also got Jason Oswell coming back from injury. That helps, doesn't it?
Yeah, of course. We've got Louis Robles as well. You know, Zali Ishmael. So we've got good competition for places now. As I said, we found a formation that suits us. Certainly, you know, it's working well for Aaron. And although I was just about to take him off, and then he scored his 2nd goal, but so we'll have to keep him on for a bit longer. But no, look. Good afternoon for us, pleasing win, and a clean sheet and 3 points.
That's 5 goals in 3 games now, 2 braces on 2 successive weekends. It's going well.
It is, but I'd like to get 3. I'd like to get 3 goals out over 2 games, or next week get another 2. But I can't do it without the boys around me. Louis has been fantastic for me in front of goal, supplying, doing all the dirty stuff, and looking up again the tap-ins. The fullbacks have been getting all the assists, so I'm only as good as them. So if they put the ball in the box for me, I've got to be in the right place, and looking for them at the minute.
Da chi wedi ennill 3 o'r bron am y tro cyntaf flwyddyn yma. A sialens bach o wahanol wsos nesa yn erbyn Bai Colwyn, sef un o tîma sy'n newydd i'r gyngrair.
Ie, dwi wedi gwylio nhw diwethaf yn erbyn Aberystwyth, a maen nhw'n tîm yn syml i ni, maen nhw'n cael chwarae'r da, so mae'n fynd i bod yn gêm anodd a maen nhw wedi ennill 2 gêm yn y lynol, so mae'n fynd i bod yn gêm anodd iawn, ond dyn ni'n edrych ymlaen i.
Today we started the game extremely poorly, concede after 20 seconds. You know, could have cleared the ball 2 or 3 times, we didn't, got punished, but worked our way into the game. And then second half I felt we were the team in the ascendancy. All right. Looked the team with momentum. I felt as if we were going to get something, and then we get caught again with a second, and then obviously then it's really difficult. But in terms of certain areas of the game, we was okay. We were just finding a way to lose a game at the minute.